Outside right now as it heads on down to the line. Johnson, here comes company. Johnson's got a dive bomber on the inside. And this young lady's got played on the Johnson trying to hold on to the front side. He's got company all over the back door.